Hello everyone and welcome again our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool tips on how to make different stuff in drawing. Starting off with the first one, we'll learn how to make this cute body and face of this beautiful looking fly who is standing on her legs with her huge wings out. We will make this be as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will follow the steps as shown to learn how to make this cute drawing of this boy which looks really awesome, and then we will also make a girl who is standing right beside the boy as shown by following the steps in the video. We will make this cute one as shown to make this guy who is holding this small girl. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this duck. We will first make this bigger duck, and the steps are shown who is flowing in the river, and make the smaller duck on him. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will learn how to make this easy drawing of this cute looking frog, which is a really easy one to make and can be easily made in a short time span and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we learn how to make this easy drawing of this cute bird which looks really awesome and has big legs and huge wings and has a huge beak too. We will learn how to make this as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will first make this face and the ears of this big one, and then we will make his body of this cute looking squirrel which looks really awesome and is easy to make. We will learn how to make this after making the big shiny eyes and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this cute cat which has cute eyes and her tongue out of her mouth, and complete it by making the scales on her body by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this cute face and body of this one who is reading a book, which is a really easy one to make. We'll make her cute shiny eyes and then color it by the colors as shown. Going forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this drawing of this cute looking seal, which is a really easy one to make and has a smiling face. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by writing the number 3 and create it into a beautiful seahorse which looks really awesome and is easy to make. We'll create his beautiful eyes and complete it by making some scales on his body. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by writing the letter A, and then we'll create a curvy structure on the above of A and create it into a really cute looking bug who has huge wings and huge eyes. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this drawing of this kangaroo, which is a really easy one and can be easily made by kids and adults too. We'll make this body and this long tail of kangaroo and his baby too in his womb. Thank you for watching the video.